Did you know that your password could be the weakest link in your online security? Today, we're counting down the top 6 password mistakes almost everyone makes and how to fix them to stay safe from hackers. Before we dive in, a big thank you to our sponsor, Stonefly. They're leaders in high-performance, secure data storage, hyper-converged, backup and disaster recovery solutions. Stay tuned till the end of the video for an exclusive offer just for you. Mistake number 1, using common passwords. First up, using common passwords. It's like putting a sticky note on your front door with the key under the mat. Hackers know all the popular choices. Fix. Use a password that's unique and complex. Try a password generator to create random combinations that are hard to guess. Mistake number 2, reusing the same password. Next, reusing the same password across multiple sites. It's tempting to remember just one, but if one account gets hacked, it opens the door to all your other accounts. Fix. Use a password manager. It can generate and store unique passwords for every account, so you don't have to memorize them. Mistake number 3, using personal info in passwords. Mistake number 3, using personal information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. These are easy to guess and often available on your social media profiles. Fix. Avoid anything personal in your password. Mix in random letters, numbers, and symbols instead. Mistake number 4, too short and simple passwords. Short and simple passwords may be quick to type, but they're also quick to crack. Passwords like ABC123 or LetMe are basically an open invitation. Fix. Make sure your passwords are at least 12 characters long, with a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Mistake number 5, ignoring two-factor authentication, 2FA. Mistake number 5, ignoring two-factor authentication. It's an extra layer of security, and skipping it leaves you more vulnerable. Fix. Always enable two-factor authentication. Even if a hacker gets your password, they'll still need a second code to get in. Get a 98 terabytes Veeam, ready, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $9,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. This offer is valid for a limited time only. Mistake number 6, not changing passwords regularly. Finally, not changing your passwords regularly. Sticking with the same password for years increases your risk of it being stolen or guessed. Fix. Set a reminder to update your passwords every few months. Regularly refreshing them keeps you one step ahead of hackers. By avoiding these 6 common mistakes, you can seriously level up your security. Remember, staying safe online starts with a strong password. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. Stay secure, and we'll see you next time.